Well, time to play outside. No, you won't. Yes, I will. Nope. Check out outside. I'm in Mariano. Yep. Oh, the Rain wants to win everything. Well, that's a bummer. Hey, who's ready to go play outside? We can. It's raining. I'm in Maria. Well, forget that plan. Turn to my other plan. To destroy Chef Bruno. Nah, I'll do it some. Nah, I don't feel like it today. I want to take a break. My other plan is to go back playing Super Mario Maker 2. We don't have that game. Oh, sorry. Super Mario Maker for Nintendo 3DS. Okay. Man, the weather sucks. So I know, right? Man, look at how it's going outside. That's stupid. Well, let's go eat some lunch. Well, at least the kids are home today. Yeah, they don't have school. Neither does Friday. Tomorrow's the last day of school of this week. Yeah. Psh, imagine they will go to school like this today. Ha! It's a good thing they don't. But the Ray always wants to win everything. I am so mad about that. Oh well, gotta go get some lunch.